All right, your life. How is everyone doing? 29th October, Friday. Right, I slept off the whole day after work. I was too tired. I was like, man, I need to sleep. So sorry for me being late. Fridays are Fridays. Most people don't trade on Friday. Everyone enjoys his or her profit on Fridays, so it's really hard for people to trade on Fridays. But we are here again. I didn't really make any setup, so I'm going to trade what the crowd or what the people want to trade. William, how are you? Desmond, how are you? Lushola, how are you? Henry, how are you? All right, great. And those on the live, do let us know where you come from. Okay. Those on the live, YouTube, where are you from? Ghana? Are you from Nigeria? Are you from Greece? Are you from Jamaica? Are you from US? Where are you from? Let us know. All right. Um, so let's start. Usually, we always do talk about cryptocurrencies, then we go to talk about synthetics. We talk about some forex pairs, and we do take some trades. Final trade on US 30 as usual. So we do this every day. Share Romeo from Ghana, Desmond from Nigeria, Gifty from Italy, Christoph from Greece, Noble from Ghana, Luke, my guy from Zambia. Oh, right. Okay. Okay, so let's start something. I'm going to quickly talk about Bitcoin, and then we would go into talking about forex pairs, get some trades for today because we hungry. Mr. High Value himself says I'm from Orlando. Nice meeting you, brother. You've been here for since the day we started. Right? This is my fifth stream, so I'm not expecting a bigger, crowd or something. Nathan from Cote d'Ivoire. Auntie is here. Auntie, how are you? So quickly, let's talk about Bitcoin. I've been holding Bitcoin for more than 3 days. The prediction was from 66k, running in 500 pips profit, but I did post one other signal the other time. Let's see how Bitcoin is going. Now, this is my Bitcoin bias, right? Yesterday, this happened on Bitcoin, right? Market couldn't reject this zone, and we could see a big push down to hit when market came to hit TP, right? Market came to hit TP, and what happened? Another rejection. Like, it was very fast. It was very, it was an impulse move. Market came down and quickly, in few seconds, went back up to our entry, right? So this hit full TP though. This we didn't take this trade though, but this trade hit full TP and market rejected back to the upside, right? And got to this zone. So this is what we are looking at. I'm still bearish on Bitcoin, like I said, till Bitcoin breaks off this whole level, maybe breaks above 63k. That's when I would change my bias from being bearish to bullish. But currently, I'm still bearish on Bitcoin. It has to come to 49k as usual. My whole prediction is at 49k, right, before it goes up. So nothing has changed. It's just, like I said, it will consolidate. Remember what happened here? market consolidated, broke above to touch our trend line, respected the trend line,
Good
and
morning, everyone. Elvis, I'm not sure if you're talking because you're on mute, so we cannot hear anything.
oh, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry, so sorry for
Okay.
those on the Zoom. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start again. William, how are you? Desmond, how are you? Ezio, how are you? Olushola, how are you? Auntie Afia, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good, good.
All right.
Good afternoon.
So I'm sorry for not unmuting myself on the Zoom. So I have six traders with me. We are going to interact with them. They are going to share ideas. They're going to talk a lot, right? And we are going to definitely make some money. Right. Patricia says I'm from Orlando. Auntie Patricia, how are you? Peter says I'm from Namibia. All right, so let's continue with what we're talking. So this was BTC, consolidated, broke above, respected this trend line, came back here, consolidated again, broke above, and it's respecting this trend line. There's a reason why market is not breaking above. You can see it's declining, right? So I'm only bearish on Bitcoin if we are not taking a Bitcoin trade now, but I would definitely update you guys. This is just a Bitcoin update, right? I'm still bearish here, and like I said, I'll be bullish if it breaks above, this zone. That's only when I'm going to be bullish on Bitcoin, right? Olushola, what do you think?
Yes, once it breaks above that zone marked at the top, we
Mm-hmm.
can go bullish.
We
There's
can go
a, there's a
bullish, right? So still, we are
yes,
still
there's a
bearish.
resistance there. Yes.
Yeah, there's a big resistance here, right? If it breaks this zone, trust me, Bitcoin would even go to 80k. But all the same, we still make money either ways. If it goes up, we still make money. But I just want my prediction to come to pass. That's all I'm looking out for. 49k.
Some money. If it goes down, we still make money. 49k.
Yes, definitely. Yes, definitely. My musician mentor, Mr. Richmond, says, "Keep blessing lives, young king." Much love from Ghana. God bless. All right, so let's skip Bitcoin and go talk about synthetics, right? So I'm going on buys on step index now, right? I'm going on buys on step index now. For some reasons, step index buy. Why am I going for a buy? Market has been consolidated for a long time. It goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up. Broke support here, right? Now this is what I want you guys to understand about synthetics. Yeah. No, let me use this instead. This is what I want you guys to understand about synthetics. Yeah, synthetics is a manipulated system. When I say manipulated system, that means markets has been manipulated, market has been triggered, it's controlled by people. So it doesn't definitely have to respect all your analysis, all your trend lines, all your zones, all your key levels, what have you, all your indicators. It doesn't have to. You have to play smart according to this game. Right now I'm going bull here, right? You can buy step index now. You can ask me what lot size should I use, right? I'll tell you, but I'm bullish on step index, so somewhere here, right? So first trade, you just take a trade. I'm going to explain why we are taking this trade.
Okay.
So first trade, step index buys, step index buys, right? It's a now trade. You should take it now. I don't want you guys to miss it. So
Okay.
let's, for those that trade in the synthetics, do buy this now. Step index buy now. Stop loss somewhere would be somewhere at 71, 9171, and our TP will be somewhere at let's say 9200. Let's just target 120 pips for today. But I think step index will go back to 9240. But for today, let's just target this. Right, and now stop loss is at that price. Right, so that's the trade. If you just I can't find step index on Eagle FX. You shouldn't. Step index isn't traded on Eagle
It's not
FX.
on EQFX.
It's on Deriv. Okay, I would ask me for the link. I'll send you the link. It's on Deriv. Right, so step index buys to this ski zone. Let's see what happens. I don't know what pair you guys want us to trade. Just type it in the comment section. Olushola Williams, just let me know, and we would do
Let's
trade.
start gold.
Let's start with gold. Okay, so
yeah, well, gold has been going up and down, but I think it's at a critical zone now.
Okay, cool. So let's go look at
Though
gold.
it touched it earlier.
Okay, so let's go look at gold. Jordan says, "Thank you for what you do. Love and respect from Uganda." Wow, I didn't expect to be on the Uganda radar. Alright, Albia has posted it. Right, so let's go to gold. Wow, gold is dropping. You know, yesterday, Olushola, yesterday something happened here, right? We had nice buys here at 1810, and we were too intrigued to take the sells because we felt because we felt like we've made enough and we didn't want to overtrade
for the day.
Yeah, we made one, I think 320 something pips yesterday, so we were like, yo, let's just leave gold.
Let's leave gold, yeah.
Yes, but it really went well. It's really went well. Gold really went well too. Wow. Currently running like 200 pips. If we had taken this, we would have been good, but it's fine. Still another opportunity, another day. So let's look at what's going to happen on gold. Gold is playing around a critical area now. Yeah, like Olushola said. So we have support here, a demand zone there. So let's see. If it breaks below this, we would take sales on go to maybe to this next level or this next zone. Okay, rejected here. So this next zone, that's like 1766. But if we reject this zone, we see a reversal candle. Let me delete this. This was yesterday. If we see a reversal candle, definitely we would be going for buys on gold, right? So maybe above this blue line, maybe 1788. So let's see. If it breaks below this, we'll be going for shorts. It looks bearish. That means if gold is buying, US30 should be. If gold is selling, US30 should be buying. But US30 is also selling. So let's see. Let's just.
And gold might turn back from that point. But we might get rejections at this zone.
Yes, you think it would reject it, right? And buy back.
Yes, I'm thinking to reject and buy back.
So we should be looking for buys on gold.
Buys on gold, yes.
Okay, Henry, what do you think?
I concur with what you were just saying. That if it breaks down that level, I think we should go to the next level.
All right.
I was just having my eyes on something else while we were chatting. I was looking at pound USD. It's like it's.
GBP USD, we definitely look at it. So gold, it's a waiting game. Let's just wait because there's a rejection here. But if it rejects above and breaks this blue line, we'll be going for a buy to this blue line, like 130 pips. Okay, let's just wait. Yes, guys, please do like the video. Okay, please do like the video. So no entries yet. Let's keep waiting. GBP USD, let's see.
Been dropping for the past hour.
Gabby is here. Gabby, how are you? Ashi, how are you? You're not working today.
I'm at work.
Oh, you should go work, bro. Leave money. Leave trading money.
No, no, it's okay.
You sure? All right. So you GBP USD looking like a sell. Looking like a sell.
Is there a news? I'm trying to check. Is there a news affecting the USD
Let me
pace?
check. There
All of
was
them
a
are going
news.
down.
Yeah, there was a news. A CPI news, but no time indicated. When yesterday I said something, right? Yesterday I said something about news, right?
Yeah, that once there's no time, you just look
Once
at it
there's
in
no time
sessions.
on the news, trade the news during the session, right? But I think this news, it came out negative. Focus, right? Previous, it came out negative. The news came out negative. So yes, sells on USD pairs. Not surprised. So let's see. I'm not still taking any entry on GU. Let's still wait. Let's still wait. I'll take sales below this level. Alright, sells below this level, then maybe get it to the next level. Or yeah, gold, like I said, wow, it's really broke that level. Olushola, you see, we
Okay, it's
should.
broken to the downside.
Yes, it broke to the downside. Right. Do we take an aggressive entry here? Do we take an aggressive entry here, or we just watch it or leave it? Yesterday was good. I want to keep that same energy, that same track record.
Same track record.
No losses, clean trades. But it has broken off this zone, so I think yes, we could sell to. We shouldn't be looking for buys now because yeah, the level has been broken, right? So we should be looking for sells, and we can use sell stops here. Right, so this is what I'm going to do on gold, guys. I'll be looking for sell stops. This has been broken. This hasn't been broken, so I'll be looking for sell stops to the next zone. So let's do this. Yes, as we keep watching, we can use sell stops here on gold. Sell stops at 17.4. So put a sell stop at 17.4 on gold, and our TP will be somewhere here because the level has been broken, right? I'm only going for sells because the level has been broken. I'm no longer looking for buys. So let's put sell stops here, and our TP would be 100 pips as usual. Our TP will be here as usual. Apply proper risk management. 17.64.
Stop loss.
100 pips, yes, of course. I will add stop loss. Yes, our TP will be somewhere there. And our stop loss will definitely be above this zone, but I think if market could break this level, it's not going to come up. If it's going to come up again, let's put a 1:2 risk reward ratio. We are risking 40 pips for 100 pips. Gwen is here. Gwen, how are you? Alright, so let's put our stop loss here. Our stop loss on gold would be at 17 17.79, 50 pips. 50,400. We are risking 50,400. So that's gold. But if it rejects above and also goes to the upside, we'll be looking for buying opportunities. Either ways we make money, right? Whether market goes for a buy, whether market goes for a sell, we still make money, right? Always know that. I don't know if you guys think differently on this. I don't know if you guys think differently on this.
So to be honest, I think the sharp movement because of the news.
You think what? Let's hear you.
I said I think the sharp movement to the downside is because of the news which was released.
Okay, so the sharp movement was because of the news release. Gold isn't, but technically it's on breakouts. Market has broken out. The only thing I think gold would do is it could maybe come for a break and watch retest. It could come back to retest the line before going down. It's also possible, right, Desmond? Market's on a breakout. You can see it has broken out, rejected this big zone, right? So Elvis, Euro USD is running in profits from yesterday's setup. Wow. Sometimes I do take trades and I even forget that I took some trades. Nah, it's not. We went to, I think we hit our TP. Our full TP was somewhere here and it went up to 100 pips. Wow. And it's coming down. So no trade. Yes, it went to full TP. From here, we took the trade here and wow, straight to the markets respect trend lines, guys. Let's go look at our gold. Yesterday we missed 200 pips on gold. Okay. What other pair do you guys want us to trade? Like I said, I didn't prepare any setup. I slept after work. I was really tired today. Really tired.
Yeah, let's check
Nasdaq. Okay, so let's go check Nasdaq. What's your bias on Nasdaq? Let us know your bias before. Are you a short or you're a bull?
I'm a short seller. I made a mistake this morning when I lost around $35.
You lost $35 because you went for a buy. Okay, so Nasdaq, what is happening on Nasdaq? Let me try and understand what news came out. Okay, let me try and understand what news came out before I can trade stocks. I'm a fundamental trader, so I try to let's see. USD CPI news. Okay, actual, it was a sell news that came out. Okay, no, this wasn't the news. Not this. This wasn't the news. Okay, US consumer rises. Okay, this was the news. Inflation stays hot. That means selling opportunities, right? If inflation is hot, that means governments are printing money, right? And when they are printing fiat currencies, it makes these bitcoins and these digital currencies to short. And there's been a resurgence of COVID-19 case. That means COVID-19 case has been going up, right? So cases have still been climbing up. So definitely bad news. So USD pairs should be selling today. This is how you understand the news. Very simple. So let's come back here. So that's why I'm still bearish on Bitcoin. There's no good news in Bitcoin. Allow the big investors to keep buying their Bitcoins and stuff, but yo. So I'm bearish on gold. Because of that, I'm even bearish on gold because of the USD news. I'm not bullish on gold. I'm bearish on gold. I'm bearish on US 32. So we would maybe get a move on US 30. Guys, bring the pairs. Bring the pairs. Now, once I know the market direction, once I know the news, I'm very, very confident in taking, setups. What's other pair? Right, NAS 100. Yeah, someone said NAS 100. Let's look at NAS 100 before. NAS 100. I'm bearish on NAS 100. I'm bearish on NAS 100. After the news, you can see there's a breakout. So I'll be going for sells during New York session. Definitely. Let it break below maybe this 15600. Then we would take short-term opportunities to maybe back to 15300 or 15400 on Nasdaq. So let's see. No sell stops. Let's just wait, right? Let's just keep waiting. Let's go check our trade on step index, right? In a drawdown, a little drawdown, still holding. So step buys, if you haven't gotten into, you can get into it now. Keep bringing the pairs. Keep bringing the pairs. Great. Always, let's talk about Euro USD. Euro USD. Let's talk about Euro USD. Okay, so Euro USD is also selling, right? I think it would keep on selling. I'll be looking for selling opportunities on Euro USD. Let's see how many pips we can get from here. We can get 40 pips. Should we take this trade? All right, let's see. Let's take this trade. Let's look at DXY before we do DXY is pushing up, right? That means we should be looking for shorts on XXX USD pairs. XXX USD pairs. So yes, let's take a sell on Euro USD. But we are going to use sell stops, and we are going to target 50 pips and risk just 10 pips. That's 1:5 risk reward. We are just going to risk 10 pips, and we are going to target 50 pips on Euro USD. So sell stops here. Thank you for the trade. I'm using Onda. On TradingView. So sell stops here. On Euro USD. If gold gets activated, to let me know, guys. If gold gets activated, let me know. Sell stops at what price is this? 161.16198. So that's our sell stops on Euro USD there, and our TP, our full TP would be somewhere here. Let me see how many pips would that be. How many? That's 30 pips. So if you are going to go for 50 pips, should be somewhere here, right? The DXY is rising. That's why I'm more bearish on XXX USD pairs. So sell stops here, and our TP will be here. Our TP on Euro USD would be somewhere here. $1.5713. That's 50 pips. Let me add that so you are aware of how much you're going to make. And let's see where our stop loss would be. Oh, 20 pips. Stop loss has to be where stop loss is. So if it breaks above that, it's great. So let's just risk 15 pips, guys. Let's just risk 15 pips, not 20, just 15. Or is it 18? There's a USD news, so let's take note. The USD news was a bearish news. And yes, there's going to be another USD news too, which would come up in 24 minutes. So we'll try to get that news too. Many traders don't trade on Friday because they've already made their profits from Friday, so they don't need to come up here. Alright, so let's see if our sell stops will be activated or not. DXY up, go down, dear, good. Yes, gold doesn't really respect DXY in my opinion. It doesn't. It does what gold does. What? Okay, so sell stop has been activated on Euro USD. So let's see. Oh no, it hasn't. Mine hasn't. Okay, mine hasn't. Almost got activated. Yours has. Okay, if yours has, fine. But mine hasn't. We hungry. $15 pips. Very little risk. Very little risk. Very little risk. So stop at 1.16198. Very little risk. Someone was saying USD. Okay, let's come back to look at gold. Gold rejecting the level. Could gold go up again?
I can see gold going to retest the trend line, probably.
Okay, I can see gold go retest the trend line. That's also very possible. So if it's going to retest the trend line, that means we are looking at 1791, right? Let it break above this zone. Let it break above 1784. Then we can have a decision on gold. So then keep the sell stops valid. So 2 trades so far. Euro USD sells. Step index buys back to entry. Gold will definitely retrace to take out liquidity of the news. Very possible. Very possible. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back to 1902. But if it breaks above this, we are going to buy gold. Okay, if it breaks above that, we are going to buy gold, and we would invalidate you're going to invalidate the sell stops. Anyway, we still do make money, right? Anyway, we still do make money. Step index buy to what? Step index has to buy to 9 to 40 or 9 to 50 even on the long run, but scalpers should scalp to 9 to 10. So gold, let's wait. If it breaks above this, I would be taking buys above, right? Buys maybe to the trend line, right? To the trend line, break, retest. It has to retest, maybe then we can sell hard. Okay, but if it doesn't too, we still wait. What about US 30? US 30, we are waiting. Let's wait. Consolidating, right? Let's wait. So why do you want to trade in this market? But I think this is what happened on US 30. It still would sell. I still think US 30 has to still sell because of the inflation news is high. There was a breakout, and breakout market came to retest the trend line, and we are seeing sales. So US 30, I'm bearish today. I'm bearish on US 30 today. And if I'm bearish on Bitcoin US 30 today, that means gold has to go up. Via correlations, gold has to go up. Gold has to go up. So let's do this. Let's do this. This guy Emmanuel is back again. Bad news incoming. All right, so guys, we are going to buy gold in case it breaks above. Olushola, what do you think? 870. I'm thinking about 1784. We take our profit at 1794. 100 pips. Buys on gold. Olushola, what do you think? Okay. It's muted. Fleet, what do you think? Desmond, what do you think? Babjay, what do you think? Gwen, what do you think? Anyone?
The buy. I'm trying to buy once it breaks above
This zone, right?
1784.
Yes.
Yeah, this zone. Yes.
So let's
Once
do
it breaks
this.
above
Let's do
zone.
this, right? Let's still do this. That's what I was also thinking. If it breaks
So we
above,
played it to above that zone.
if it breaks above, you are going to close the sell limits. So let's see.
Yeah.
So buy
The price
stops. Also buy stops at 1784 on gold. So we have a buy stop and we have a sell stop. Let's see. If one gets activated, we'll close the other. Okay, if one gets activated. This is what I always tell people. You don't trade in this zone, right? You don't trade. This is a no trading zone. This zone, whole zone. If you underwent my mentorship, you are watching this. Whenever you draw a zone, don't trade in this. Because its market becomes, indecisive. You don't know whether it's going to go up. Like we don't know now.
Now,
You can see if we had gone for a buy, it's now going down. If we had went for a sell, it's now going up. That kind of vibes. So indecisiveness, wait for a breakout above. Okay. So if the one Valas Nessia says, I think gold should retest up. If it retests up, maybe it would definitely come touch 1789. Right. If it gets triggered, I'll give a TP and I'll give a stop loss. GU still going down, still pushing down. Shiba, let me look at the Shiba guys. Okay.
I think Shiba retraced.
But I don't know why people are buying this coin. You've missed the whole vibe. Like you've missed the whole move.
Vibe, yeah.
If you had bought it July, definitely fine. But it's too late to enter. Everyone wants to buy hyped, something that's already hyped. There's something that people have made millions from and they're already, enjoying life. And you want to now come and gift your money to this.
They always like to buy when the price is high.
Up. No one wants to. I remember when I was predicting Bitcoin, it was very, very low. Somewhere was it 39K? Everyone was selling their Bitcoin. I'm like, yo, buy when many people fear of buying, sell when people are greedy. when Bitcoin went to 66k, people were greedy. They were saying Bitcoin to the moon, is going to 100k, is going to, all these stuffs. Right, Auntie Patricia says, always, did you do the on FTMO? So next week, Monday, I'll be back sending signals, right? This week, I didn't really send a lot of signals to my VIP channel. So we'll be sending a signal. We are going to start a challenge on the FTMO accounts, prop firm accounts. Like I said this, right? I said this always. If you are trading on $100 account, right? How much would you be making a month if you are going to be, supposing you are making 10% of $100, you're going to be making $10 a month. If supposing you are trading even on $1,000 accounts, how much are you going to be making a month? 10%. If you're going to be targeting 10%, as pros, every pro will be targeting 10% of their account. If you're going to target 10% of your account, how much are you going to make on $1,000 account? That's like $100. And is $100 enough, to sustain life? It isn't. $100 isn't. Even supposing you're even having a $10,000 account and you are going to make 10% of $10,000, that means you're going to be making $1,000 every month. Is $1,000 going to fuel your rent, your car bills? If you're like me that love traveling every weekend, will it, I don't know. So that's why you guys are very lucky that these prop firms are there to test your skills, but you should be profitable on your live account before you come in. So from Monday, I'll be starting a new challenge. We would be targeting the small account first. So USD currencies, this is strictly for VIP guys, those on the VIP, right? So risk is 25,000. They are willing to give a $25,000 account live, right? And there are some rules and challenges that you need to undergo. If you pass it, you get this live account, right? That is yes, I did, Auntie Patricia, I did someone is saying in Ghana it's more than enough. Oh, let me see, $1,000 to Ghana to see this. Not 10,000 USD. I'll not even talk about Naira, because if I talk about Naira, I'll be seeing millions. Last time I thought I was a millionaire in Naira. I googled, I think something dollars too. I was like, yo, I'm a millionaire in Nigeria. when I translated the money, I saw that it's just rubbish. Alright, so 6,000 cedis in Ghana. Yes, it's good. It's good in Ghana, but abroad, Russia, here, Europe, USA. Gwen, is $1,000 going to be enough in USA?
A month?
A month, $1,000.
No, my rent's $890. Well, yeah, no, it wouldn't be enough.
Wow. Then there you should know, $1,000 a month wouldn't be enough for her. Her rent is $890. So if you're making $1,000 a month, maybe in Ghana, I don't know about rent in Ghana. Ghana's rents could be, I don't know. You guys should let me know. I don't know rent in Ghana. I've never hired an apartment in Ghana. Let's see, 1 million Naira.
No, $1,000 should be 570,000.
Really?
Yeah.
To USD. Let's look at how rubbish. There's $1 key. Let's see. No disrespect to Nigerians. I love you guys, but trust me, your currency is somewhere. I don't know. This 100,000. Okay, this 100,000. Let's talk about 1 million.
Yeah, this is going to be roughly about $2,000.
$2,400.
Yeah, that's about 2,400.
So I'm a millionaire in Nigeria.
Yeah, you are, sure.
You are.
I'm a millionaire in Nigeria, so I can talk. Yo, I'm a millionaire in Nigeria. That's everyone is a millionaire in Nigeria. If you have 2,400, then that means the cost of living in Nigeria is really, 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 really different.
It's very high, actually.
Wow. How much is rice in Nigeria in naira?
Okay, a bag of rice.
A bag of rice.
I think a bag of rice bought for 35,000.
35 thereabouts. Yeah.
How is that in dollars?
35,000 in dollars should be about $60, $65.
$60.
Let's say $70. Yeah.
Wow.
$70.
Wow. I buy rice here for as low as $12.
A bag of rice?
A bag of rice.
Wow.
How many kg is it?
I don't know the kgs. Guys, I don't spend time in kitchen, so I don't know about these kgs and
How much rice is that for $65? Like a huge bag?
Yeah, 50
bag.
kg. No, a 50 kg bag.
Okay.
Let's look at USD CHF. I'm looking at it now. It's currently consolidating, right? Maybe we could take buys above. Maybe we could take buys above. DXY is still pushing up. DXY is very tricky. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So let's wait for confirmation. Bitcoin, you can see it's playing nice here. It's trying to reject this whole trend line. So I still think we can get sales below this today on live, right? We can still get sales below. Let's see. And I'm looking for selling opportunities on US 30. I'm looking for selling opportunities on Nasdaq. 8 minutes to New York session. I'm looking for Euro USD going back up. Gold, we are still looking for. We have buy stop and we have sell stop. So whichever triggers, we close the other one. So still game of patience. Okay. Someone is asking, where do you pay rent for $890?
Oh, Akron, Ohio.
Ohio. Yeah, Gwen is a very rich girl. She's a very, very rich girl. $890 for.
But that's with electric and
in Ghana, in Nigeria, I think
that is the cheapest rent, $890. That is the cheapest.
Wow, that's even the
We're
cheapest.
talking about $1,200, $1,500 for rent. So
In
if
USA.
you're paying $850, that is cheap. Yeah, in New Jersey and New York, you can get nothing below $1K a month.
Wow.
Yeah, you can get nothing below $1K a month. We pay $1,500.
That means I would have been working a lot if I were living in. Well, big respect to those in US. But those in Africa think that you guys are very rich. You should send us money always.
No, they make money and they spend the money.
Exactly.
They make
You
the
make
money
the
and they
money,
spend the money there.
you spend it. Exactly.
Yeah, the money comes, the money
The
goes.
money is here. You make it, but you spend it on
these stuff.
rents and other stuff.
Stuff. Wow. So those in Ghana, don't worry, my aunties and these people in US. Life is really, really hard.
Elvis, who I pay $2,000 a month for rent in Ghana.
Hey.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's this guy's a rich dude.
I live in the project.
All right, guys. So let's do this. Let's sell US 30 now. Let's sell US 30 now. Just sell US 30 now. Don't wait. DXY pushing up. Good. So let's sell US 30 now. I'm coming. US 30. Where's US 30? We wait for market to open.
Okay.
I think it should sell. Or wait for market. Let's just wait for market to open. But I feel it should sell. DXY pushing up. Gold going down. Let's wait. Don't sell yet. Let's wait for New York session. Right. Let's wait for New York session. But I'm looking for sales on US 30. Maybe my entry would be bad because market is consolidating here. Actually, why are you living in a palace? Is it palace or palace?
Actually, I live in an apartment.
How many rooms? How many rooms a month? How many?
It's in a compound with three bedroom.
3 bedrooms. And you are living? Are you married?
No.
You have a girlfriend?
In Ghana?
Uh-huh. Oh, and you're living in a 2,000. I'm not even paying 2,000. I don't think anyone in US here pays 2,000.
But like the place I live in, there's a pool, there's a tennis court, there's a basketball court,
Okay, cool. There's a pool, there's a basketball court. Okay,
there's
wow.
a gym,
There's a
there's
gym.
Yeah,
That is
a
why
that's
that's
a complete
lifestyle.
apartment.
That's a complete
Yeah.
apartment. That's lifestyle.
Yeah.
You're really living the
He's
lifestyle.
a big man.
He's a big man. Actually, he's a big man.
Yeah, I have a pool and a workout place too, but and my apartment is 2 bedrooms and a bath and a half.
Wow.
There's a bath in my room.
So I'm talking with rich people, right? That's why I never tell you guys that I'm a
Not really
millionaire.
rich.
That's why I never tell you guys that I'm rich. I'm very
Yeah.
I'm very broke.
I'm very
All right, so we will be selling the US 30 if it breaks below this, but let's see, we can sell at any time. Just be active, right? Maybe market could go back here before coming down, would reject this level, right? Let me draw a blue line there, and we would sell. We would sell what? By market order. Let's not sell now. Don't sell US 30 now. It could push up before going down. I'm bearish on it today. I'm bearish on US 30 today. So let's wait for the pump and dump fit. And gold, wow, gold is pushing down. So definitely that means that our sell stops could get triggered, and if it gets triggered, we could see 100 points, 100 pips move. Okay. My forex funds, too many rules. Yes, I read about it. Too many rules, and they don't have free trials. When you just get in, you've gotten in. So we are not going to try forex funds. We are going to try FTMO. I already spoke with an agent, and he has given me the much required necessary things that I need to know. All right, today's been slow. No trades yet. Very slow. Always, are we still holding step index? Do you want to sell it? I'm bullish on step index. You can see it's pushing back up again, right? It's pushing back up again. So if it breaks 82, definitely 9200 is a must. Let's look at gold. If gold breaks this, we go here. Actually, for how long would you be in Ghana? You can see US 30 is pushing up. There's what I needed. Fake out. If it fakes out, people out, fails to break above this, this whole level, we would sell it. We would sell US 30. So then, fingers crossed.
I've been in Ghana for 5 months now.
5 months, just 5 months. Okay. What do you do, and how much do you make in a month? I'm just interested.
I work as a sales manager at a plastic company.
Okay. Plastic company.
Yeah, I make around $3,000 per month approximately.
Okay, he makes $3,000 approximately. And do you have any side income?
Side income? I used to resell sneakers.
Okay, good.
Back in my country, but here in Ghana, I'm not doing anything other than trading actually.
Great, I get you. Wow, we should have just sold the market, Blin. We should have just sold the US 30, but let's still wait. No, we will still get an entry. We will still get an entry, definitely. I was expecting a sell, but I was too reluctant on the entry. So let's see, if it gets to this entry, we would be looking for selling opportunities. Maybe if it gets here, 735 700 or 35 7 something, we would sell. So let's wait. Gold is going to react on how US 30 is going to react. Let's wait on gold too. And what about trading? Do you make money from trading?
I'm not doing that much, to be honest.
You're not making money from trading.
Not that much.
So what's your motivation for trading? Olushola, what's your motivation for trading? Why are you trading?
Because I follow Elvis Justice.
That shouldn't be an enough motivation.
To make money.
To make money. You are here to make money. Okay, great.
Yes.
Alright, US30 pushing up as we plan. Let's see if it's going to reject this level. So guys, pay attention here. Let's see. This whole thing is it could even go break this level and go retest this level too. But I'm not bullish on US30. It could even go to 760 as I see. If we've missed the entry, we don't need to rush in. If US30 is also going to go up, that means gold sales will be very valid. Gold sales will be very valid if US30 should push up. Even if we could get 100 points or 100 pips, I'll be grateful. That's 102, still consolidating. Nothing, no entry yet. Yes, price has to fill the gap. I'm seeing a gap at 760. That's why I'm saying that. I'm seeing a gap at 760. So it could push up to 760. This gap, little gap. That's why I put a zone here. So let's see. I don't want us to buy now though. Let's just see. If I guess they will now sell the market, right? We'll get a good entry and sell the market. Geo has also risen up. EU has also risen up. Wow.
Heading for stop loss.
And gold. Still waiting game. If US30 is pushing up, gold will sell. It's very simple. So let's look at gold. Let's focus on gold. Yes, US30 pushing up, so gold has to definitely sell. Okay, let's see if it's going to get triggered. I'm just waiting for these wicks to be broken, and if it breaks, we go down.
Elvis, do you think Ghana is expensive?
Do I think no? Ghana wasn't expensive. I left Ghana 6 years ago.
Oh.
Okay, EU did. Mine didn't get triggered. My EU didn't get triggered. So if whose EU got triggered? Source stops. Yours got triggered.
No, it wasn't. No,
Mine got triggered.
Who's
Mine.
Okay, so
Yeah, mine got triggered.
People's got triggered. So let's just move EU. It's 15 pips. Let's just move it above to maybe 20 pips. So we wouldn't be taking out, right? Let's move it above, not 30. I'm not looking for 30. I'm looking for 20. Let's move it 5 pips up. Move your stop loss 5 pips up here. Alright, so we don't get stopped out. Like, if you guys remember Euro odd, we got stopped out and trade came back, you know. Do you remember Euro odd? Those that has been, you know.
Yes.
We got stopped out, and it came back to
went away. Yeah.
Exactly. So we don't want that same thing to happen. So let's put our stop loss here, 462. So trade readjustment on EU. Trade readjustment on EU. Everything is a sell here. Alright. So gold has to sell, right? Gold has to sell. Look at gold. Gold has to sell. It will get triggered soon because US30 is pushing up. Wow. So we are going to put sell limit on US30, okay? Or let's just wait. Let's just leave it. Let's just wait. Sell limit on US30 pushing up. So that means gold has to sell. So gold would get triggered. So let's just focus on gold for today. We'll talk about US30 later. EU, we've adjusted the trade. Someone should type it for them there. My stop loss would be 20 pips instead of 15 pips here. Right, if it hits, that means it's hits. Share Romeo says mine did not get triggered. If yours didn't get triggered, mine also didn't get triggered. So, but for the people who got triggered, readjust your stop loss to this price, 1.16462. Okay, and beautiful step index. I told you, still keep on holding this. We are going to get this 120 pips move. Trust me. On God. US 30 got to the zone. Will it reject? Would it keep on pushing up? Dicey. Gold still a waiting game. And I always tell you guys that not trading, right, is also profitable, right? If you wait, there's nothing to trade. There's nothing tradable. Okay, US 30, what's happening? Will it respect our zone? Okay, it broke. No. Will it respect? It's respecting our zone, so we'll be looking for sells on US 30. Okay, should we sell? Okay, so let's do the sell stops on US 30. Right, put a sell stop on US 30 at 35,750. $35,750. Let me see. Oh, we still wait. Let's do it. I wanted to put a sell stop here, but let's do it. I'm not really sure today. Especially with the news saying US consumer spending. Especially with the US consumer spending rises, that means inflation stays hot. It's a bearish news. That means you are looking for sells on USD pairs, right? All buys are fake outs. And but DXY is pushing down again. It's crazy. You have a gold buy stops, you have a gold sell stops. So let's see. Gold retrace back to 1788. Let's see. Nothing to do here. Let's see. Whoa. Alright, so I'll be selling US 30. I'll tell you guys to sell if it comes here, right? And maybe we buy gold. Let's see. Let's just wait for that rejection, because this level or zone has been respected. Okay, I'll let you guys know when we are going to sell, because the whole news is bearish. Consumer CPI, consumer rates is always CPI. So when you come to Forex Factory, you see CPI, right? Core price index. That means consumers. It's CPI, core price index. It was a sell 11 minutes ago. So I'm looking for sells on USD pairs. I'm not bearish on US 30. Nope. All right. Let's wait. What's the lot size recommended to trade? $500 account 0.01 best. So US 30. I don't know. Let's sell US 30. Let's sell now. Just sell now. Let's sell US 30 now, and our TP will be 640. Let me also sell. So sell US 30 now. Our TP 640. Our stop loss would be placed above this. So let's say 35,780. Our stop loss on US 30. I mean sells, yeah, 0.01. If we do lose this trade, we are going to lose $40 because DXY is pushing up. That makes US 30 bearish. So sells on US 30. Let me type it.
Obviously, gold is selling hard.
Gold is selling hard. Wow, that means US 30 would be buying. Let's wait. I'm coming. Wow.
I will just copy gold and wait some $5 or something I say.
Nice, very nice, very nice.
Hasn't triggered yet.
If gold is selling, that means US 30 has to pump, but for some reason it's selling. Alright, for some reason it's selling. Let's see. Very risky day. Very risky day. So I'm still in sales on US 30. That means gold has to pump. Gold has to buy. Close all sales on gold. Your sales on gold, close it. Alright, close it. So US 30 sales, nice. Going well. Gold about to be triggered. If gold sales gets triggered, I wouldn't be bullish on Bitcoin. On US 30, we'll close Bitcoin. US 30 in profits, in little profits. If gold gets triggered, 17.74. It's at 17.74 now.
It's looking like it might.
It's looking like it might. If it does to, we move. I know I have soldiers here. Right, so gold still no trade yet. US 30 nice profits. No, not nice profits. Not really nice, but okay. 30 pips. You should be in $30 on US 30. Nice. Still going down. Clean sheets today, always. Yes, I'm very careful today. I want to continue this, this run. Very careful. Wow, step index has broken above. Doing well too. Almost from entry, almost 70 pips in profit. If you entered at 80, that means you're at 30 pips profit. Step index doing well. Should definitely go here. Actually, don't trade. You don't trade step index, right? Okay, gold has been triggered, guys. Gold has been triggered.
Whoa, sweet.
So close US 30. Close US 30. If gold triggers, close US 30. Close US 30 in profits. Just close US 30. And let's focus
on $200 in profit.
Don't worry, close it. On US 30, close it. $200 in profit, close it. Quickly, guys. Quickly. Now, there's one thing you should learn today, right? if gold is selling, right, the buyers on US30 should be buy. It has a negative correlation. Don't worry, it may even come to 35,640. Don't worry, just leave it in profit. So US30, maybe we've made maybe 30 points or something. It's okay. 50 points or something in profit. It's okay. Let's just leave it. You can see it's coming up, and let's focus on gold. Gold, don't disappoint us. We left something for you. We left US30 for you. All right, gold in profits, in 10 pips profits. Yes, Yalbi is updating you guys. Close US30 now in profits. It could go down. I'm still bearish on US30, but with the movement on gold, the news fundamentals is a bit tricky. The news reacts the opposite. Gold is a consumer pair. US30 is an index. You can see US30 pushing up again. Olushola, do you get it? You can see US30 is pushing up again. So that means US30 should be looking for buys on US30 once gold has confirmed a sell. This is why I told you to close US30. Gold is a consumer pair. Now, when I say consumer pair, let's learn something here. Gold normally rides with how do you call it? It normally rides with Australian dollar. When you go to Google, you Google top countries. Is it top consumer? Let's say consumer countries. Good countries, something like this. But let me put it this way: top producers, top 10 producers of gold. I don't know how to put this. Producers of gold. If you want to be a gold machine, right? You want to trade gold, right? You should understand which pairs really affect gold. Now we have I want the full list. Right. Now you have China, right? That means that means Japanese yen. Yen pairs, JPY pairs is affected by the movement of gold, right? Australian dollar or Aus pairs are also affected by gold. So that means if gold is mostly going for buys, you see JPY pairs mostly going for buys. If you see gold going for buys, you see Aus pairs going for buys. Very, very simple. Because gold is a commodity, is a consumer pair, is affected by all these stuffs and blah 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 blah. So you would see us USD also, moving with gold. Which country? Other country? Ghana should be here. Ghana isn't here. Oh, South Africa. Why isn't Ghana here?
Ghana has 6 gold mines.
Ghana should be part of the top. I don't know why Ghana is in there. Yes, that's Ghana. Top 10 producing countries in 2019. That's Ghana, my country. You are rich in resources.
That's true.
Right, let's come look at US30. I told you guys, we have a reason for this. Is why you need to trade life with me. We have a reason for going out of, you can see it's now bullish. It has now formed that bullish. Now let's go look at what's happening on gold now. So gold sales confirmed. Beautiful. It even went to 1771. Wow. Actually, we're saying you made profits where? Where do you make profits? Okay, actually, it's on the call. Desmond, you were saying something that you also made profits.
Yeah, I was scalping gold to the downside.
Okay, great,
Like
great,
I
great.
recovered my loss.
Yeah, great, great. Whatever the market takes from you, it gives it to you back. Exactly. Gold in plus 20 pips in profit. I'll let you guys know when to take partials. Elvis, views on USD CHF 4 hour. USD CHF. USD CHF. What is it? Someone is testing me on WhatsApp. You look relaxed. Guys, do I look relaxed? But I mustn't be trembled. I mustn't be trembled. We are looking for money. If we can't make the money, we go away. We have our lives to live. We are just here to look for money. USD CHF is ranging on a smaller time frame. I wouldn't be taking any trade, right? If it breaks above this, we can take buys and we can maybe get buys above this whole move, 70 pips. But let's wait. Market is ranging. I don't know why you want to trade. Stop with US30 buy or sells. We are not trading US30 now. We left in profits, in quick profits, like 40 pips profits or 40 points profits. So let me delete this. So US30 is going to buy because gold is going to sell. Gold back at entry after 20 pips, still holding. Gold isn't like US30 that rallies to the downside just like that, unless there's a news affecting it. It goes up, comes down, so you have to be patient and you have to know how it's played. And I have something to show you guys too. Right, this is free knowledge from me. What's this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm listening.
No, I actually just saw something. This DAR of a coin.
DAR. What's DAR?
DAR, yeah, mine's of what is it called? I think I came across it this morning. What do you think about who's taking it?
Why close gold, Porsche? Why close gold? Gold wouldn't move down. Guys, if that's how you trade, you see red, you close charts, then trading isn't for you. It's not for emotional people. You don't expect markets to go to your direction. It has to beje you, like kaka you. In Yoruba, how do you say it? Olushola, you an Yoruba?
Yeah, she be Yoruba. His name says so.
Yo, Yoruba, how do you say it has to whine you? They whine you for whine you. In Yoruba. Kilo de, kilo fe. Alright, so these are rules that I prepared some other time ago, right? If you are here, you have to take a screenshot of this, take a picture of this, apply these rules to your life. Okay, apply these rules to your life, right? Don't overtrade. Only trade clear setups. You've seen on the live, we only trade clear setups. We await for confirmations before we trade. And not every day is a trading day. Of course, on the live, sometimes you come on the live, you will sit here 2 solid hours, and we wouldn't get any trades to trade. It's very possible. Not trading is also profitable. Okay, not trading, because it's better not to trade and save your income than to trade and lose the money, right? And always move your stop loss to.
Sometimes I feel like
Sometimes you do what?
I feel like I am missing opportunities on other places.
Yes.
If I'm not trading or if I'm not in a trade.
Yes, that comes to the discipline part, right? That comes to the discipline part. Sometimes it happens to me. Sometimes when I'm not trading, I'll be like, yo, and you sometimes see screenshots of people getting 50 pips, 100 pips, be like, yo, someone is there making
the screenshots.
Exactly, someone is making 50 pips and I'm here lying down in bed. Bro, you are joking. Then I'll come and Come and lose money. Because here I'm coming for, I'm coming because I'm motivated by someone. Trust me, you lose money. And always move SL to entry after, let's say, 50 pips in profit. Not when trade is in profit. After, let's say, 50 pips in profit. All right, and stick to your plan. Stick to your plan. You are seeing red. Stick to the plan. Drawdowns are. There's always drawdowns sometimes. There's always drawdowns sometimes, and be disciplined. Check charts before executing a trade, and don't enter any signal. This is just not for you. This is for some people. So opt that one out and trade to withdraw weekly. If you are trading, you are making profits. If you are trading, you are making profit and you are not withdrawing. I don't see the need for you to be trading in the first place. Don't ever end up other people's screenshot. If you see me making big money, know that I started from somewhere. I'm in red in gold. I know you are in red in gold. I'm also in red in gold. We are in red in gold. Minus 20 pips drawdown. After 20 pips, we are in this together. Don't worry. Don't be greedy when you are in profits. Don't be greedy. This gold, we weren't greedy. We just waited for the right confirmations. I still believe it will go down if US30 is pushing up.
Yeah, it's just
it's just a retracement, like pullbacks. I don't know why, minus 10 pips and people are, come on guys, come on. We waited for over 60 or 70 pips to take this trade, and you are C minus 20. You are, no to FOMO, okay? Fear of missing out trades. People see trades. You've missed the trade, you've missed the right entry, and you later want to enter the market. Scalps. Once you've missed trade, No FOMO. Fear of missing out trades. Not trading is also profitable. It's better to save the money. Okay, and pride. Some people would hit 20 pips, 40 pips. They'll declare themselves as kings. I'm a king. I'm a goat. I'm a this. I'm a that. Pride. That's pride, and they don't even listen to us anymore. All right. So let's come back to gold before you guys beat me. Back to entry before you guys beat me. Before you guys beat me, let me come back to gold. Oh, yeah, Chi, back to you. You were saying something. You made profits somewhere. Blah blah blah. Guys, if you are a fearful, scary type, you can't hold trades. Close it at entry here, or close it at little profits, and let those who want to risk, let us risk. I don't want to see those kind of comments. Is in red, is going against us. Should we close? Don't FOMO. Don't. Why? I'm trying to understand. The confirmation has been set. Market broke below these supports, confirmation, all this support, this whole range has been broken. This is now a free range to 1766. Why panic? I'm not saying it has to go there, but if it doesn't go there, fair enough. Risk what you afford to lose, and don't be testing. EU triggered. Let's go see EU.
EU triggered.
Great. Now my EU has also triggered. So I told you the reason why we moved stop loss to this stop loss. Do you now understand why? Right. The reason why we moved our stop loss from 15 to 20 pips was because of what we not getting stop out. Those that were saying should I close? This is the time for you to close. On gold, this is the time for you to close. Don't come and stress us when you see rest again. We beg you. I'm on my knees. Nice 20 pips on gold. Nice 20 pips on gold. Nice 20 pips on gold. How is step index doing?
Check.
How is step index doing? Nice, still playing around, but it's, guys, trust me, this would go. I'm not expecting volatility in step index now. I'm expecting volatility in like tonight, when, let's 7 p.m. GMT. Elvis CR7 Sue. You guys, when trades are in profit, you'll be giving me funds. When trades are in reds, you'll be pulling my legs. You'll be frustrating and stressing me. So, like I said, in little profits, wow. Gold back to entry again. Now, if gold comes into profit and rejects this level again, we would close gold in profits, like we close US30 in profits. Okay. It all depends on US30. If US30 gold, US30 is selling, that is why gold is. It all depends on US30. But I'm not bearish on US30. After this big candle, look at this big candle. Look at the wicks it broke. Why would you be selling US30 now? Anyone telling you to sell US30 now doesn't like you. As simple as that. They don't like you. Why would you be selling US30 now? If you don't even believe me for this, know that I'm US30 legend. Alright. Stop loss for Euro USD. Euro USD is, the stop loss is 20 pips. We would have hit stop loss by now, but I told you guys to readjust the stop loss so we don't get gold, not God. Hey, who is saying God? Hold God, hold God, hold God, hold God. Alright, back at entry. I don't like this. I don't like this. When trade goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, that means there's something preventing it from going down. That's the meaning. Elvis, let's check Shiba USDT. Okay, let's check Shiba, but let's see gold. We may close partial soon, or maybe because US30 for some reasons has its own reasons of selling, which I don't get. DXY pushing up here, so definitely. Wow, so gold is pushing up because US30 is pushing. Well, let's see. So let's go look at Shiba before we come back to gold. I would have loved us to stay with gold. And sell US30 because DXY is just gambling now. It goes down, comes up, so it's making trades inconsistent. I wouldn't be selling US30 for anything. Let's keep waiting. I know when I see my confluences set for sales on US30 and for buys on gold. I don't think buys on gold now. So Shiba USDT, those of you Shiba Shiba. Okay, let's see. Shiba consolidating. I on no account or on no occasion would I trade this. Like, would I take this Shiba trade? I don't care whether it's going to make people billionaires or something. I don't care. I'm out of it. I didn't even trade it. So I didn't even take it.
I think Shiba have a use case now. Perhaps their fundamentals might help
It's not about
for those who
fundamentals. It's
actually.
about when you are getting into the project.
Okay, yeah, yeah. Those who
Did you
entered
get
early.
into the project late or early? One advice for investors, right? If people have already made money out of something, right, that means it's done.
Yeah.
Look for the next Shiba. I was expecting smart investors to tell me
I,
always,
I,
what is the next Shiba? What is the next Shiba?
I think I left Shiba for Kishu. I don't know if that's actually a right
Good. Now
choice.
that's a good thing.
But Kishu is actually looking good
If it's looking
from saying.
good, then that should be better. All right, Euro USD in profits, but gold is stressing us now. Funny thing is, we saw profits and gold, gold. Gold coming back up again for some reasons. That means US30 should be selling, but US30 doesn't look like a buy. Sure, US30 has to be buying, but US30 doesn't look like a buy. It doesn't. DXY pushing up, stocks that should be going down, and if stocks is going down, gold has to be going up. So guys, let's close gold quickly, and let's be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, let's close gold quickly. I'll be closing my entry here, and let's be looking for buys on gold. Dang. Let's be looking for buys on gold. So we are going to, this is because DXY is pushing up. Yes, close gold. We are going to make the 20 pips that we lost back now, right? Trust me, we are going to make it back. I'm in a sell on GU, but not now. Cheesy, my man, my boss, that's my big boss, Cheesy. It says, can you help me check USD CHF? I'm in a buy position. Let's check USD CHF. Don't worry, we'll come back at gold, right? Maybe we could use the buy stops above this, or we could place the trade and go. H2.
Good was taking me out.
Yes, it did. I didn't want us to hit stop loss. I don't want to hear stop loss. That's why I said close. All right, so we are going to put gold buy stops above 82. No, wait, 83. 83. Buy stops at 83. Yes.
We have one already at 84.
Yes, let's readjust it to 83 so we can make our 20 pips back. Buy stops at 83. I'll come back and update the TPs and entries. Okay. Euro USD, what's happening there? Nice profits, very little. USD CHF, let's see. Okay, USD CHF. If I'm going to even take buys on USD CHF, DXY is up, so yes, I'm looking for buying opportunities on USD CHF. But is this a right time to buy this? Is this going to be a right time to buy this? Let's see. Instead of me going for a buy now, right? This candle is a bit decisive. Market is consolidation. I don't see any reason why I should be taking buys here. I don't see any reason why I should be taking buys here. So we would take buy stops on USD CHF, and we would get, if I were you, on a 15-minute time frame, and I'll be looking for this whole move, this whole 50 pips move, buy stops above this, because if market could break above this level, it could go up. This is consolidating. I don't see why I should be taking, consolidations. Don't trade, right? You know that. Someone is saying gold has taken me out. Gold took everyone out. Okay, Gold took everyone out. It didn't really take me out. I closed at entry. Right, a bit tricky because market is, some kind of playing above. But if it could break above this, we could be seeing buys. If not, I still think so. These are just retests. I still think so because, but let's see. We're definitely going to make the 20 pips loss before we do end the session. I told you it will return to 1788. No time for blame games, my friend. No time for blame games. Just learn from this and move on. If I think we did 30 pips in profit on gold. You can see from sell stops got activated 1774, and we did 30 pips. It went to 1771. 30 pips then moved back to entry. So those that moved their stop loss to entry did secure some funds. But I'm not the kind of trader that looks for 30 pips, 20 pips. I always tell you guys this, right? I'm not the kind of guy that looks for 20 pips, 30 pips. I always love looking for 100, 150, 250, etc. US 30. We closed US 30 for gold, and gold snitched on us. Which cryptocurrencies should I invest in? I'm not bullish on cryptos now. After I'll come back to talk about cryptos after Bitcoin respects my zone. Gets to 49k. If it could get to 49k, we have a lot of coins that you should invest in. It's all about waiting for the right time to invest. Okay.
Yeah. Obviously. How about the link trade? Should you still hold that?
Yes, I'm holding link. Link doesn't really correlate with Bitcoin. It doesn't really correlate with Bitcoin.
How about ADA? Have you checked it? When has you checked it?
ADA is consolidating.
Yeah.
If you're in sport, just hold. Unless you're in futures, that's when you start panicking. Right?
Wow, that's true.
Alright, so odd USD would follow gold, but I think still playing like gold. Odd USD, I explained why odd USD, because Australia is one of the top leading producers and consumers of gold. So whatever happens on odd pairs do affects gold. So it has that correlations. This is your lesson for today. Good. That's a question you should be asking. What is the next Shiba? That is a smart investor. That's what smart investors should be asking. What is your next Shiba? Not Shiba. It's gold. I'm not taking any entry on gold yet. Let's see. Let's wait for this candle to close. It has more than 4 minutes to close this candle, because I still think it's a sell. Maybe it came for sells stop hands. Let me put it that way. Stop hands, then went to entry, because Euro USD is still pushing down. Nice. How many pips? Not so much. 18 pips in profits. So 18 pips on Euro USD. These are pips that I don't like. I even feel shy when I'm telling people I caught EU 18 pips. Like I feel shy. I don't know about you. How do you buy US stocks in Ghana? Nice question. You can use this site, AvaTrade. Can use this site, AvaTrade, in Ghana. I'm not linked to them. I'm not their affiliate. I just love, investing with them. AvaTrade, register now, and you can invest on your Apple, Amazon, commodities, stocks. This is not just for this. I use this in Russia because Russia has this VPN connection. So you can use it to invest in your corn, your wheat, your gold, blah blah blah. Right? Netflix, ever trade. I love that. So that's, I hope your question is answered. Stepping next, still slow, a bit slow. How many brokers do you use? I just use 2 brokers, Eagle FX, GTIO. So guys, do like the video, do like the video, do like the video, do like the video. I'm still looking for a trade that would help us recoup our 20 pips SL. Okay. Today is Friday. It's Friday, yeah. Oh, our cheese back.
Elvis, which FTMO challenge are you gonna take?
Pardon?
Which FTMO challenge are you gonna take?
Yes, I'm taking an FTMO challenge for a 200k Monday. But I would convince my students to take an FTMO challenge on small accounts, 20k, 15k, whatsoever. I think gold should push up from here because US30 is selling. US30 is selling. We left US30 sells. Wow. We left US30 sells for gold, and gold would have been in 70 points profit now, $70 with 0.01. But you still made something, right? Okay. Euro USD still pushing down. Beautiful. Elvis, you're not answering my questions. What is your question? If I see your question, I will answer it. Euro USD moving 20 pips in profits. 20 pips in beautiful profits. So that means we've made the 20 pips that we lost on gold, basically with EU. But gold is a bit volatile. Gold will still give us our money back. Let's just wait. Be patient with me. Be patient with your boy. I just need this candle to close. This whole candle to close. Then we would see where we are going. Maybe we take buys. Eagle FX is not regulated. It's not regulated. It's not a regulated broker. It's one of the non-regulated, trusted brokers. Wow, DXY is still pushing up. That means gold has to be buying. Good, but there's no confirmation on the gold buys. And USD CHF, let me come back to talk about USD. Has to be looking for buys. Yeah, it has to be buying. So yes, Cheesy was right. But for me, I would wait for confirmations above. Maybe if it breaks this, we'll be looking for buys. Let's see if we can maybe get buys above this on USD CHF. 70 points. So guys, let's take this trade. Thanks to Cheesy, my boss Cheesy. Buy stops on USD CHF. Buy stops on USD CHF. We are going to hold this trade till Monday. Right, I'm going to update you guys at 0.91352. Right. Buy stops here, because if it can break above this, definitely, because US30 is not consistent. That is why I'm not taking a US30 trade. Goes down, goes up. This candle that's the same thing happening on gold, right? that candle has to close. This candle has to close. If it closes above this, that means it's a buy to 1808. If it closes below this, that means it's a sell to 1760. So gold is still a waiting game. US30 is still a waiting game. EU and profits. So USD CHF, our new trade, buy stops here, and our TP would be I'll be looking for 100 pips. So not even 100 pips, something like 110 pips. Okay, so our TP will be somewhere there. This is going to be a swing trade for me. Yes, guys, please do like the video. Please do like the video. Please do like the video. Actually, have you lost money today or you've made money? Or a drawdown day?
Yeah, I've made like $190.
On what pay?
I've made on the first position of I've took some partials on gold and some partials on US30.
Okay, you close early. You close at 30 pips each, and you are up $190. That's nice. That is nice. So, what challenge are you looking out for? What challenge do you want us to do?
I already finished the 10K challenge, so I'm thinking now.
You're thinking. Right. So that's actually one of my students. Olushola, very slow day, right? Very slow day. I don't like today. If I trade and I'm not making more than 100 points or 100 pips, I don't feel happy. I'm not a happy man. So stop loss on USD CHF would be 0.91160. That's going to be 30 pips. Gwen, how's trading today? Very slow. But at the end of the day, you always preserve your capital. That is what I'm looking out for. At the end of the day, you don't lose, money. You don't lose enough money, Definitely, I'll send something on gold. If we are going to end this live in 30 minutes. If gold doesn't get triggered to our position, I'm going to end gold. I'm going to definitely post something on the signal page on gold. But if it doesn't and the candle closes, definitely we would take an entry on gold. You can see there's nothing to trade here, guys. Trust me, there's nothing to trade here. This candle needs to close. This 30 minutes candle needs to close. So USD CHF buy stops as indicated. My G Yao B. Yes, ahead of Floki. I didn't take advantage of Floki. Ahead of Floki. But it's a Uniswap. Uniswaps are. Let me teach you something about Uniswaps. Yes,
very expensive.
Yes, very, very expensive. But those are the coins. Yeah, I call them immatured coins, right? Those are coins that are just people just establish them, and there are a lot of scam coins. When I say scam coins, that means everyone. I can even wake up today and invent a coin, serendipity coin.
Sure.
Like serendipity BTC, Seren
You do that.
/ BTC. I can do something like that and put it out there. Yo, guys, buy. It's going to go to the moon. Now attract a lot of buyers, and the project will never keep pushing up. Do you get me?
But I think using pancake swap is a bit better and cheaper.
Yes. For me, I prefer coins to be named or mentioned or launched on exchanges before I go into them. That means it's trusted. I don't like trading on swaps or tokens.
Okay. Obvious, quick one. What's your take on this metaverse?
What?
Metaverse. This
Yes,
let's say,
Facebook stuff. We'll see.
the metaverse community.
We'll see about that. I don't want to talk anything. I don't want to say anything about something that I've not really read about.
That's okay.
We'll see about that. Obviously, invent a coin. If I invent a coin, I would need big investors. So I told you, gold came back again. Right, came back again to our entry. Took people out and came back to our entry. So it's not really a buy. This thing has to close. If this candle close, we would see. There are lots of opportunities down there here. Or should we give it a second luck, or we should just leave it? Auntie, if you, what do you think?
Some cells.
Auntie, if you please, what do you think? Or Fleet, Gwen, Ashi, Desmond, Babs, Jay, what do you guys think?
I re-entered the cell, a small position. Let's see.
Okay, you already entered it, so let's wait.
Second tries.
Obviously, are we also going to do FTMO challenge? No, FTMO challenge. I'll be trading FTMO during the London session with VIP. I'll just be sending them signals. They copy the signals and trade on the challenge. But I'll be trading with you guys on New York session. I told you guys that I have 20 off days. I'm going to be free at home doing nothing. Russia is on lockdown from Sunday or Monday. So I'll be off for 20 days. So 20 days is going to be fun. Me just being at home trading. Someone should advise me to study. Actually, advise me to study. You actually can't advise me to study.
Yeah, please study.
Oh, Auntie would definitely advise me. I'll study. All right, so guys, let's look at US 30. We missed the whole move. Imagine we had held. We would have been in nice profits. Almost 100 points. But we closed, which is fine. Okay. We go into it, or we wait, or we stop. DXY is pushing up. Let me see. How do I take VIP? I close all payments channels, right? I'm not looking for new members until those I have make a lot of money. So VIPs are closed. Tomorrow I'll give you an update on that. Alright guys, so US 30 now. Let's restrict this.
Sorry, my network threw me out.
Don't worry. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm back.
Let's sell US 30 now. This is going to be a race trade. DXY is pushing up, so I think US 30 has to sell and gold has to push up. So sell US 30 now at let me even enter this before I miss the whole entry. So US 30 now at 680. 680 to 35 700, right around this area. Sell it here and let's go down on US 30. I'm going to update the stop loss and everything. Don't just sell it. I just don't want us to miss. USD CHF in blues. Oh. So guys, I'm sorry about that, right? But I really want us to find better trades, better trades. The first sell was we sold, we beat US 30 here. We could have been up. By now we could have been up. I don't know how many, by 70 points. That's like $70 with 0.01. But gold tricked us a bit, which is totally fine. Don't worry, we are going to still get this whole move, this whole 70 pips move. So I'm in a sell on US 30. I'm in over 70 pips profit on US 30 sales. Nice. I'm not in profits myself. All right, let's see how US 30 goes in profits now. Oh, we hungry. USD CHF activated. Wow, that was quick. That was quick. So that means we have 3 trades running. Wow, EU in profits, over 28 pips in profits. We got clapped on gold. You can see gold is coming back to. Let's just wait on gold. Okay, no entry on gold. And what else? USD CHF triggered. No, mine hasn't triggered. Is this triggered? No, it hasn't. I don't know where you guys place your buy stops. Mine hasn't triggered. XPS 500. Let's look at XPS 500. But let me update you on US 30. I'm still on sales. So if you took the initial entry, you took the initial entry, you didn't obey me, you were stubborn and you got the real entry, you should close now and let us risk. We the risk takers do our risk. We those that just join in, or you can just close partials like Ashi said. He closed partials and he's in good profits. US 30 sells. So if US 30 is selling, that means we should be looking for buys on gold. Right? We should be looking for buys on gold. Would that happen? Would that not happen? Would that happen? Would that not happen? So guys, let's look for buys on gold. Buy gold now too. Risky trade. Buy gold. Now I'm going to update the TPs and everything, right? Buy gold now. In profits already. Buy gold now. Just buy. By market order. If you can get 50 pips on gold, we'll close it. I just wanted us to recoup. Good. So let's see. Gold. What does gold have for us? I said buy gold. Buy it now. Now, where would we put our stop loss? Where would we put our stop loss on gold? Stop loss would be below this, right? So we are going to put a gold stop loss at 1770. Risk, apply proper risk management. Ask me how much you should risk and what losses you should use in case you don't know what losses you should use. 7.3, you think that would be close? It could get into our entry again and we would lose. Hey, sorry, stop loss 770. Do you know why I'm using a vast stop loss here? Because if market could break below this whole support, market would definitely go down, push down, right? So yes, buy gold now, stop loss here. Where would our TP now be? Our TP would be at, this whole trend line. So let's see. TP somewhere here on the trend line. I think it should go for a retest. This whole set, if gold should go well, it would depend on US30. Right, I told you about the correlation with US30. So I'm looking for 1790. That is 150 pips. Wow, we have 23 minutes to end this live. So far, not really the vibes. Not really the vibes. For me, not really the vibes. Apply proper risk management, guys. And let's come to the 30 minutes time. The 30 minutes time frame has closed. The reason why I'm taking a buy here is because the 30 minutes candle that we were expecting closed, right? So I'm just expecting it above. Normally we should be waiting, right? We should be waiting for buy stops, sell stops, but we can't wait now. We have 23 minutes more. We can't wait. We should just take the trade. Risk take it. Wow, US30 pushing up. Gold is still selling, but I'm buying. Do you have any problem with that? You might as well steady, bro. Yes, of course I'll steady. Don't steady. Principal says I shouldn't steady. I should instead trade and secure the bag. Hey, you guys. One person me bon. I should be dumb in school. Okay, so let's just wait and see what good. If we get 50 pips, we are going to close these positions, guys. Okay, on gold. So gold buys, US30 sells. So US30 still playing around the entry 35,680 to 35,700. Let's see. Please, what's the buy stop for USD CHF? Let me see. I don't remember. The buy stop was 091352. It's almost hit. If yours has hit, it's okay. Right, we are looking for 110 pips here. Someone was saying XPX. What has XPX done? Now let's try to understand what's the trend of this market, right? What's the trend of this market, guys? What's the trend of this market? Uptrend. So we're looking for buying opportunities. But do you think we should really buy here? Look at this. Uptrend, but market has broken the higher. It has already formed the higher high. So definitely we are looking for what? Higher lows before the market goes up. Market structure is king. Understand market structure. I'm still holding US30. I'm still holding gold. Awaiting USD CHF to get triggered. So I think it should come down here before it goes up. Alright, so guys, do like the video, please. Gold, nice. 20 pips in profits. Secure partials if you want to. I don't want us to see profit and lose it back again. Secure partials if you want to on gold. Nice buys. So we've already made the 20 pips that we lost again. So let's see. I'm still holding US 30. Don't worry. US 30 is still playing at the entry, right? Let's see. Let me delete this whole zone and right. Okay. Gold 30 pips up now. Nice. Nice. What's going on Euro USD? Euro USD. Still 30 pips, I think, or is it 20 something pips? Olushal, are you in profit on Euro USD? Yes, 30 pips in profit.
Yes,
Yes.
profit.
Yes,
He is on profit.
Ashi is also in profit.
He's
Great.
in profit. Yeah.
Great. So EU, nice run there. Gold should. I want gold to go 100 pips. US 30. I'm still holding US 30. It's going nowhere. But you know, gold can go well and come back. You know, I know gold. That's why I'm not really a gold guy. I don't like the way it moves. But when it's really paying you, it will really pay you.
Elvis, can we check AUD USD?
AUD or USD would definitely move with gold. Would definitely move with gold. So if it's buying, if gold is buying, I'm expecting buys also there. Let's see. Nothing to trade here. Let me see. On the 4-hour time frame, I can make something of. Waiting game on odd USD. Are you in that trade? What buyers are you on?
Sales, probably.
Okay, let's wait for that. Gold. Wow, 40 pips up. So we've already recovered the previous L, and it came back down again. Bro, stop playing with us. It came to that 17. I'm still holding gold, guys. I think I should hold this. This should be a nice run or a nice move to 1782 maybe, and the final TP 150 pips. Guys, please do like the video. Someone is saying gold is gonna sell through. That's the difference between you and I. I'm buying, you are selling. Nice. I respect everyone's analysis. I respect everyone's bias, right? But I do trade what I see. I went for gold sales, but I think it's not sales now, it's buys. So let's see. I respect everyone's analysis. Gold buys, right? 40 pips up. Desmond, you've been silent. Are you losing money?
Oh, my account has been blocked.
Your account has been blown. Did you say your account has been blown?
Yeah.
Hey, how?
Oh,
I think gold took me out. I over leveraged on gold and
Okay. You over leverage on gold. With what lot size and what account? How much was your balance?
around $60, and I was using 0.05 twice. So.
Okay, you were having 0.05, and gold went against us 30 pips. So that means you should be losing. You should be losing $16. Why did you blow the account? $60. If you're using 0.
No, the positions were like 4.
Okay. Cool. I get it. The positions were 4. Okay, so that's over leveraging, over risking. It's good. Trust me, small accounts, that's what you should be doing.
You flip it.
If you try to flip it, risk little, you get a sure entry. But gold isn't really giving us a sure move. Goes up, comes down. This was supposed to be something very, very clear. Back to entry again.
Moving back to entry again.
Trash. Because US30 is buying.
I'm closing all trades.
In profits, yeah, or drawdown.
Break even.
Break even. Let's see.
Back to entry.
I'm still holding gold. Let's see. I'll know when to close. If it gets to this blue line or something, maybe, yeah.
Gold.
That really looked. US30. Wow. Yes, I wasn't really sure about that sales, but maybe I FOMO'd sales. Right, going back to entry. Let's see. GU is selling big time, right? GU is selling big time. I'm not in GU trades. I never called a GU trade. This was something we said yesterday, but I didn't take it. I didn't take it. Okay, it has broken below. Yes, we said we will be taking sales below to this level. Let's see if we can take something here. That means US30 should be selling and gold should be buying. That's why I'm still. That's 60 pips. 60 pips if it flows below. Take or leave it. So today we've already taken enough trades. Let's just leave it. We've already taken enough trades. USD CHF buys. US30 sells in a drawdown. EU nice. EU went well. EU went well. Massive profits. 30 pips profits. Gold is 40 pips back to drawdown. I'm not closing mine though. I would close it maybe if it gets to any fund step index. Sorry, I forgot synthetics. It's still playing around. Like I said, this will consolidate this whole evening or this whole afternoon. Then we will see a big buys. So hold step index till 9200, right? That is 200 pips. Trust me, right? Trust me on this. If you are here and you are going to make money on this, come and thank me on this step index. It has to go up. That's how it plays. USD30 pushing up. VIX 75. This is where the synthetic guys comes in. All right, so we will be ending this session in 10 minutes, but we are still going to hold gold. I would update you guys on the page, right? On the signal page, right? I'm still holding gold. I'll tell you to close when we have to close, but this is kind of going to form a cup and handle, right? I think it has to form something like this, a cup, a handle, then falls back down. I've seen this before, right? Someone is asking, what is a cup and handle? This is a cup and handle. Look at this. I'm not a pattern trader. I don't trade patterns, but when I see something happening, I do see it. Cup and handle. If you're going to keep closing your entries on gold, trust me, you're going to be in big fat L's. This is a cup and handle pattern. You can see this. Look at this. Right. That is what's happening on gold now. Went up, shorts, going down a bit, went up. Could see the handle, then we would have that. So consolidates, forms a hand. So yes, I think something that like that is happening. Desmond, how do you feel? Let's talk to Desmond. He says he blew his account.
I feel very happy.
Let's talk to Desmond. Desmond, how do you feel after blowing your account? This is an interview. How do you feel after blowing your account? Do you feel good?
It's smart to learn.
Nice. Sometimes it's not about it, but I would have done the same thing if I was having a small account as yours. Trust me. So this is my buyers on gold. I told you why we are not closing gold. You can see it's still pushing up. That was why do you use 30 minutes? 30 minutes is for legends. It's just like asking God, why are you on earth? Why did you come down to earth? You know, why did you create human beings? Why did you? Gold back up again, 30 pips. You can close at entry. You can close your profit now, or you can just follow me to the Bogota ride, 1800, because this is just to let you close people to close their entries, blah blah blah. And GU sells, I'm not taking sales yet, and EU sells still going well. How many pips now? Wow. Look at EU. Wow. So at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, I'm taking my full partials here on EU. Beautiful. Full TP hits. That's like nice.
CHF activated.
USD CHF has also activated. So full TP hit on EU. Nice.
Wow.
60 pips in profit. Nice on EU. Let's go look at USD CHF. Also got activated. Nice. Buy stops here. How many pips running? This trade was from Cheesy, so it wasn't from me. I can't see everything. You guys will definitely help me see these moves. Wow, USD CHF going up, pushing up a bit. Actually, are you going to take this trade? 4 pips up, barely 6 pips up.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah, you took it. Great. Guys, resell US30. Another entry. I added another position on US30 here. At resell US30 at Suka at 3740 to 35,770, and we will put our TP at our TP on US30 will be before I leave you guys, I have a few minutes more. 35,670. Stop loss would be 35,820. Makes sense. Or let me put this TP at 630. 630 means we are going to be targeting roughly 120 points. Yes, I'm still in BTC. Right. DXY is pushing up, so I'm expecting sales on US30. big sales on USD. And gold has to stop misbehaving and push up. I'm not going to close. I saw profit. I have to see profit again. Okay, any final words, Gwen? Your USD HTP, USD CHF entry. Any final words, Gwen? Any final words? Ashi, Olushola, Desmond, Fleet, Babje. It was amazing.
Yeah, it was amazing. Thank you
Good,
so
yeah.
much. It was
I
good.
have to just keep up. Have to keep up a little better, but yeah, it was good. Good stuff.
Right. So Monday we are starting the challenge: $50 challenge, $100 challenge, $500 challenge, $1,000 challenge. I stopped that challenge this week because of the moves that I saw in the market. It wouldn't have favored small accounts, but next week should be really good to go. And I'm also starting again the prop firm challenge on Monday, right? And I'll be focusing on some account management accounts too. So it's going to be an interesting week. So I'm still holding gold, selling US30. Yes, I'm still holding gold. Like, take it or leave it. I'm still holding gold. I'm selling BTC. Euro USD done. USD CHF. USD CHF. Triggered, right? Triggered. So we'll see about that. Right, USD CHF. Wait, I want to check on USD CHF before we go. Dang, I can't find it. Why? Okay, that's USD CHF. Wow, nice move up, but nothing really to talk about. I think 11 pips in profit. I would see Monday. So Monday I'll update you guys on the trade. I'm still holding US30 again. Currently going down. I'm in gold buys. I'll post a signal now on the Telegram pages, right? I love everyone. God bless you guys for joining. Do like the video. I would make an update on VIP groups tomorrow. I'll be taking new VIP people, mentorships tomorrow. Those on my VIP, we have a mentorship class tomorrow. I'll put the time and the link for you guys to get the advice. Gwen, thank you. Olushola, thank you. Desmond, thank you. Babje, thank you. Fleet, God bless. Olushola, God bless.
Thank you, Elvis.
And we would definitely meet tomorrow on another. So guys, do hold the whole trades. I'm still bullish on step index. Look at step index. Beautiful. Look at gold, guys. Gold would be going up. Don't miss it. It will go to 70.90. US30 will be selling. I love everyone. God bless you guys. Right. Peace.
Bye-bye.
Do like the video and do tag me on Instagram.
Yes.